Smile.
You can touch my pussy, it is so juicy. Tell me I'm a bad bitch. Oh yeah, I'm bad bitch.
You're funny.
Woke up this morning, I didn't give a fuck.
All right, y'all. Let's see what it gets, Sade.
She's like the greatest person in the world. She's like an angel. Like,
Bro,
she's very
please.
nice.
Okay, that's what you chose. No, why not?
All right, let's see what audio TikTok picks for you.
With a little bit of tism comes a little bit of fun. If you want a bit of tism,
All right, y'all. Let's see what it give Kimal.
Oh my God.
Take a picture and see what sound TikTok gives you. Shut the fuck up.
Hey man, it's Freak Pop. Thanks for answering. People usually don't answer.